Alright guys, finally got what I've been needing for a long time. This will make a lot of people happy. Going fast with stock brakes, drum brakes at that, do not mix. So we've had the Team Z parachute mount for a couple months now. Now it's time to throw this Stroud 430 parachute on there. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. I've never messed with these. I've never packed one. I've never even touched one till now. So this is a first for me. It might be a first for you guys. So I'm going to bring you along and we'll get this thing thrown on to make it all complete. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so first I'm assuming I'm gonna have to pop the chute because there should be a plate right here and I need to mount that plate and the bag to the mounting holes on the Team Z bracket. I'm gonna have to drill these a little bit bigger for the bolts that I have, drill this, try to get it as centered as possible, and then put it all back together. So it seems pretty easy, but like I said, I've never done it, so we're going to find out together. So like I said, this is a Stroud 430. What you can do is go on their website at stroudsafety.com, and then it has a chart with your vehicle's weight and your vehicle's trap speed, and then that'll give you a graph of what chute you need. They have a 420 and a 430. That's the most common. My buddy Cody got this for me through Motion. He bought this for me. So sponsored by Cody Sanders. Thank you, I appreciate it. If you go on Motion's website, they have the chart right on there. That's probably the best place to get this from. I think he ordered it. It said it was gonna be here in a week and it came in like 2 or 3 days. Motion's pretty good with their shipping. Like I said, the chart's on there. And for the fast guys, you guys probably already know this, but I'll say it anyway. The 420 is for like a little bit lighter and lower trap speeds, but when you're running dual chutes, you run the 420s, not dual 430s, because believe it or not, this actually matters. If I would have gotten the 420 and ran it out to the quarter and hit the trap speed this car runs, most likely it would have jerked me really hard or it wouldn't have stopped good. This 430 is meant for ballpark of what I run, so this should hit just right, and I'll find out soon. I guess I'm gonna pull this string out. Right now it's got a nail in it, so I'm assuming I pull the string out. Alright, got the string out. I didn't think it was gonna have that much pressure. It's purple on the inside. That looks pretty cool. So this is the plate I was talking about. So that'll go in here, sandwich it. Plate will go in the inside. Let me mark the holes, and then we'll drill this thing out. Perfecto. All clean. Yeah, we're good. Not bad for an eyeball. Now we can drill some holes. I don't have a deburrer, so I just use a little step bit. That looks centered for eyeballing. All right, let's go back to the back of the car. All right, now we're at the back with the plate. I didn't watch any instructions on how to mount this, but I'm assuming you would just put it right in here and then drill holes through this and then mount it. Yeah, I guess I would poke some holes through this. All right, I popped some holes through the bag. I'm gonna see if I can get these bolts through. Yep. All right, and now the finale. Pack it. Whew. All right, so after about 10 tries, at least 8, I got the chute in the bag. Now we got to get that onto there. And I already have my string. I got this all dirty already. This is gonna be the fun part. God, the spring's strong. y'all do this. I have no idea how y'all do this. Alright, well, obviously I got it on now. I was struggling hard last night. I had to have tried it 20 times. I mean, there's times I didn't even get it on video. I think I was just super tired, just weak and out of it. So I just called it quits last night, regrouped, got some sleep, watched some videos today while I was at work, just to understand it a little bit better. The issue I was having was getting the spring to stay in while I was putting the string through the holes. After watching a couple videos like Motion Raceworks, Turbo John Doc, Jeremy Ortiz at Team Hybrid Racing, I watched all the videos I could find on parachute packing, and I kind of saw what I was doing wrong compared to what they were doing right. So I came here right after work and I literally got it first try. Then I popped it and I tried it again just to see if I could do it again, and I got it again. So 2 for 2 today. There's no point in taking it out now. I'll probably wait until I get an actual pin, the remove before flight pin, because I just have the nail that it came with in it right now, and I feel like on a little bump that's not gonna last. So when I get the pin with the strap on it, then I'll probably pull it and then repack it and maybe get that on video. Just wanted you guys to believe me, because I know if I said I did it and I didn't show y'all, them comments will be jumping off with all the people out of the woodworks being idiots. All right, well, all good, all great, ready to go. I just wanted to make a little video going over this. You know, I like to keep you guys up to date with the car, and I figured it'd be a good opportunity to film some of this so you guys can all watch me look like an idiot, but also maybe learn a little bit, maybe what to do and what not to do. It wasn't too bad after I watched some videos. I think I was just, it was late, I was tired, and I was overthinking it. So once I did it, it all came together, and I'm like, okay. It's still a pain. A DIY air launcher setup in the near future for sure, especially since I already have the CO2. But real quick, one of my last videos, I went over some Holley stuff, some, I guess, tuning tips and tricks that I like to do, and that was going over the data log. A couple of you guys left me messages and comments saying, hey, do this, hey, do that. So leave some comments down below this video and let me know what you would like me to do with going over some of the Holley stuff. You know, do you want me to go over boost control, like a boost ramp, timing control, you know, no prep pass, track pass, whatever it is? Let me know, and we'll go over it, and I'll show you a couple things that I know. Now, I'm by no means a expert, but I know a little couple things and trick stuff I can do with the Holly. So leave that below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.